Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Hope you all doing good. Let's move on towards the workbook, science workbook. Workbook में हम unit number 1 discuss करेंगे. Unit number 1 that is the building blocks of life. Building blocks of life जो कि cells हैं. Question number 1 की तरफ चलते हैं. Question number 1 is what are tissues? A group of cells that are alike and work together to perform one specific function are called tissues. Cells combine होते हैं and they form tissues. जब एक किस्म के cells combine होते हैं ये tissues बनाते हैं और ये tissues एक specific function perform करते हैं. Question number 2. Why are cells called building blocks of life? Cells make up living things and perform all activities that are needed to keep living things alive. For this reason, cells are called the building blocks of life. Cells हमारे जो है specific function perform करते हैं. Cells हमारी body को बनाते हैं. Cells हमारी body में different activities perform करते हैं जिसकी वजह से they are called the building blocks of life. Question number 3. What is the difference between unicellular and multicellular organism? Unicellular organism और multicellular organism में फ़र्क क्या है? Unicellular organism वो organisms हैं जो एक सेल से बने हुए हैं. For example, amoeba. And multicellular organisms वो organisms हैं जो कि दो या दो से ज़्यादा cells से मिलकर बने हुए हैं. For example, plants, animals. Unicellular organisms, the living things which are made up of only one cell are called unicellular organisms. For example, amoeba. Multicellular organisms, the living things which are made up of billions of cells are called multicellular organisms. For example, human beings, plants and other animals. Question number 4. Define amoeba. Amoeba define करें. The amoeba is a unicellular organism that lives in water and wet soil. Amoeba एक unicellular organism है जो कि एक सेल से मिलकर बना हुआ है और ये पानी में रहता है या wet soil में रहता है. Question number 5. What is the function of cell membrane? This is the part of the cell which is common in both plants and animal cells. Cell membrane is the outer covering of the cell. It allows only certain materials to move in and out of the cell. It also shapes the cell. Cell membrane जो है ये plants और animal cell दोनों में पाया जाता है. Animal cell में ये outer covering होती है लेकिन plant cell में ये inner covering होती है. का फंक्शन दोनों का सेम है. ये सेमी परमिएबल मेम्ब्रेन है जो कि कुछ मटेरियल्स को अलाउ करती है ताकि अंदर आ जाए. गैसेस को अलाउ करती है. सेल मेम्ब्रेन गैसेस को अलाउ करती है, ऑक्सीजन अलाउ करती है, कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड को आने जाने के लिए अलाउ करती है. Certain materials can move in and out of the cell. Question number 6. What is the function of chloroplast? Chloroplast का function क्या है? Chloroplast आपका एक organelle है. Chloroplast is an organelle that is found only in plant cell. It contains green pigments called chlorophyll. इनके अंदर एक green pigment होता है जिसको chlorophyll कहा जाता है. It absorbs the sun's energy and helps the plant to make its food. जिस तरह के plants autotrophs हैं, जिस तरह के plants अपना food खुद बनाते हैं by the help of the photosynthesis, sun energy को absorb करते हैं और chloroplast plant के लिए food बनाता है. What is the function of cell wall? Cell wall is the part of only plant cell. It is the outermost covering of the cell. It supports and protects the cell and it is made up of tough material called cellulose. ये एक tough material से मिलकर बना हुआ होता है जिसको cellulose कहते हैं. Cell wall outer layer है, plant cell की outer covering है, guard का काम देती है ताकि कुछ materials अंदर आ सकें, कुछ materials बाहर जा सकें. जज़ाकल्लाह खैर.